Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you.
In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change command prompt color in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer.
Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video.
To change color in command prompt, open command prompt. In search, type CMD. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. In command prompt, just type help color. Hit enter. Here we will find the color values. 0 is equal to black, 1 for blue, 2 for green, 4 for aqua, 5 for red, 4 for red, 5 for purple, 6 for yellow, 8 for gray, 9 for light blue, A for light green, B for light aqua, C for light red, D for light purple, E for light yellow. Okay, and you will find a message here. Color attributes are specified in 2 hex digit. That means you can use 2 hex digit as attribute. The first corresponds to the background and the second corresponds to the foreground. This is the important information. Okay, now I am going to show you how to use the attributes. Hit enter. Now type color. No. 0 means black. Type 0 because it's already black. So it is unchanged. Now 1 change to blue, right? 2 for green. Okay. Now color 2 for green. Now change it 3. Now you can change it 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D as well. Okay. Now, if I use color, EOLOR, color, then if I use 2 attributes, first attribute for background and second attribute for foreground. Okay. Now I want to use first attribute F and second attribute 0. That means background will be bright white and foreground will be black. Okay. Now check F for background and 0 for foreground. Okay. Hit enter. Look, the background become white and foreground become black. Now I can change it background 0, foreground F. Now hit enter. The opposite result. The background is black and foreground is 0. You can use any attribute to change your color as you wish. Okay, this is the easy process to change command prompt background and foreground color.
This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.